So this is going to be interesting and different for me. I don't know who's going to be on this trail ahead. There's some people back there. But, yeah, update. The bus is on hold. It's not indefinitely, it's just for a little bit. I need to kind of like get my grounders, get my bearings, figure out what I'm doing, where I'm going. A whole mess. I'm still going to be working on it intermittently. I'm probably going to be doing a lot more of, so you think you want to build a Skoolie videos. But I'm going to incorporate some nature-y stuff in here too while I'm at it, so that'll at least be one, if not 2 videos a week. Yeah, I might generally just drop Thursday bonus videos. I was trying not to do that because if you don't know, if you keep a streak on YouTube, it's more apt to suggest your videos, so I'm gonna have to switch to the Monday, Wednesday, Friday regimen, but I think that'll be okay. And I'm just gonna get some nice pretty shots, I guess, for the rest of the walk, and maybe do some philosophical voiceover about burnout and taking breaks, taking care of yourself. Yeah, and I sound like I smoke 3 packs a day because it's been a hot minute, and I think that I got COVID back last fall because I've been like this ever since. Anyways, I'll stop jabbering. So I thought that I'd have a lot of philosophical things to say, but it turns out I don't really. Fact is, I burnt myself out this week. Well, last week, by the time you're all seeing this. And I just really wanted to make a video to tell everyone it's okay to take breaks. It's okay to take a step back and take care of yourself, your own well-being, because even if you feel like you can use all the hours in the day to be productive, or that you should be using all the hours in the day to be productive, the fact is that we can't do that sustainably. At least I can't do that sustainably. And I know this for a fact, but time and time again, I still try to tell myself, oh yes, you can. I can't. I really can't. So I just really needed to take a break, and I need to take a break from the bus and doing bus content. And I still really want to do some videos, informational videos, but I also want to get some fun informational things out before the fall ends. And honestly, I really needed to get immersed in nature, and not just the nature in my yard, because there's a lot of it because of brush piles, but I needed to get in the woods where there are other plants, other things that I enjoy, and get to see things, just feel things and be immersed. One of the most difficult things though for me is being out and there being a ton of people out. But once I kindly found a quiet spot and just let myself relax, I realized how much I'd been doing and how far behind I was falling, and I just really felt like I was grasping at straws, and I knew that I couldn't keep doing that. So I'm not gonna keep doing that, and my channel isn't growing fast, and that disappoints me, but there is some peak of growth, and I know that it'll pay off in the long run, but I have to hit the reset button for a minute. And I think it's that when we take the time to step back and slow down and reevaluate our situation, the things that we're going through, as the Joy Weaver would put it, how many plates we are spinning, then we really get to find that inner peace, find a place where we can continue to do things that we need to do, things that we want to do, and not go crazy and lose our minds. So take care of yourself. Know that you can't do everything, and it's okay. And if you need to take a break and take a step back.